All right, guys, so we've got a leak right here on this fitting. We're gonna have to replace this hose. So trying to take this off, and it's a 7/8, but because of this piece right here, and because of how close these hoses are, this part of the wrench right here and this part of the wrench right here are not allowing that to go. Got a 7/8 crow's foot here, and same problem. I'm making contact back here on this plate, and I'm making contact right here on this hose. I can't get this on here. So we're gonna have to modify our wrench, and I don't want to do it to my crow's foot, so I'm just gonna do it to my standard wrench because it's cheap. But we're gonna have to modify it so that we can get it down in there and take this hose off. You fucking dropped me. Taking some of this profile out of here, some of this profile out of here. See if that'll work. All right, there we go. We got it off of there. All right, there's the leak right there. Apparently we just had a hose that finally got old enough and weak enough that it blew. So we were out pushing stump grindings and cleaning up stump grindings, and all of a sudden it was leaking right here along the nose. There's normally a plate right here, and it was just coming out right here. So we knew something was going on up in here. And as you can see down in here, that likes to get full of dirt and mud and whatever else, which kind of leads to some rust issues with these hoses down here. So you want to make sure you're keeping all that dirt cleaned out of the front of the machine to try to avoid problems with the fittings. But I could see what the issue is right here. It's not actually on the fitting. I thought it was maybe that the rust had gone through and it had given up there, but it's obviously right here. That hose is just blown right there. So all right, let's get this repaired and get a new hose in here. All right, that hose was right there, threaded down through here. So I used a bit of starter pull rope, and I've got that threaded down. We pulled the other one out. We've got that loop there. We've got the new hose here, so hopefully we can get that to thread back through with a starter cord, and then we should be back in business. You'll see I've placed masking tape over the end to try to keep any dirt and contaminants from ending up inside the hose. Took some work. We did get it threaded back there. And we have our hose right here. Now we just need to attach it back in there and we're good to go. So the new hose was a different size fitting. The wrench for that one was a 15/16 and the other one was 7/8. I tried to modify one by grinding off the ends like this. That just was not working at all. So I went a different route and I just cut out enough of the box end to be able to slide past right here. And then I could go ahead and get on here and tighten it down and get it back off. That was definitely the way I should have started it. Now I need to do that to the 7/8 so that I can tighten this one right here beside it, and then we should be good to go.